Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the auto update feature in the Claude AI application on mobile, for example on your Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let's assume you're a frequent user of Claude AI on your Android and you would like to stay up to date and have always the most recently released or newest version of Claude AI installed on your Android. For example, for various bug fixes and quality improvements and stuff like that. So what you want to do to keep your Claude AI application up to date all the time, guys, is enable the auto update feature. And you don't do this here within the Claude AI app. You will need to close it and access the Google Play Store on your Android. So let me do that really quickly. After that, tap in the search bar here into that magnifying glass, type in Claude AI and find Claude AI in the Google Play Store library. After that, tap into the name, not into open here to the right, because that will just open the app installed on your Android phone, but tap into the name here of the given app. And here, guys, what you want to do on that page is tap into these three dots in the top right corner and select Enable Auto Update. If it's not enabled, guys, simply tap into this checkbox to the right to toggle it on, and that is going to keep Claude AI from now on automatically updated on your device. Here below under What's New, you will see the most recent update, which was issued in this case here on the 27th of September 2025. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.